The landscape of artificial intelligence has shifted once again, and this time, it's bigger than ever. OpenAI has just launched its latest model, Chat GPT 5, and it's already creating a buzz. This isn't just another upgrade or routine improvement. Chat GPT 5 is a significant leap forward, bringing a much more refined, human-like experience to users worldwide. Unlike earlier versions, this new model goes beyond just processing text. It understands tone, remembers what you've told it, and interacts across different mediums: text, images, and even real-time voice. Whether you're a student, business owner, content creator, or developer, the new features packed into GPT-5 promise to change the way you work and communicate. So in this video, we're going to unpack exactly what makes ChatGPT 5 such a big deal. We'll explore the most powerful updates, how it differs from previous versions, and why it could become the AI assistant you didn't know you needed. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is ChatGPT 5? ChatGPT 5 is the newest version of OpenAI's language model, built on the refined GPT-4o foundation. The O stands for Omni. That name hints at the key advancement here. This AI doesn't just deal with text. It can read images, listen to your voice, and respond naturally, just like a real person. You're no longer tied to typing prompts. You can speak to it like you would a friend, show it pictures, ask questions about what it sees, or use it to help with your work in real time. In many ways, it's like having a personal digital assistant that actually understands you and grows with you. One of the most talked about features is the new voice capability. Gone are the days of awkward pauses and robotic responses. With ChatGPT 5, the conversation flows. You talk, it listens, and responds while you're still speaking. It's able to pick up on emotional cues in your voice, use natural-sounding speech, and even inject humor or sarcasm when appropriate. It's surprisingly lifelike, and many users say it feels more like a real conversation than anything they've experienced with AI before. This makes it especially useful for those who prefer speaking over typing, or for users who need hands-free interaction, whether you're driving, cooking, or multitasking. It's also a big win for accessibility, allowing people with physical or visual impairments to interact more easily. Another major improvement is memory. ChatGPT 5 now remembers things about you. If you prefer concise responses or enjoy a friendly tone, it won't forget. If you're using it for fitness advice, project planning, or content creation, it can keep track of what you're working on. You can view everything it remembers, change it, or delete it entirely. The goal is transparency and control. Unlike other systems that store data without your knowledge, GPT-5 gives you full oversight. This allows for a deeper, more customized experience over time. Developers will be thrilled with what GPT-5 brings to the table. It's significantly better at understanding, explaining, and writing code. Whether you're a beginner asking for help with your first project, or an experienced developer troubleshooting a bug, GPT-5 provides clear, step-by-step assistance. It's able to collaborate with you, suggest improvements, and even adapt to your coding style. And if you're a student or educator, GPT-5 can help clarify concepts, write sample code, solve math problems, and much more. It's like having a tutor who never sleeps. But one of the most powerful changes is in how GPT-5 reasons. Previous models could follow instructions, but they struggled with multi-step logic. This one doesn't. It's better at breaking down complex problems, making decisions, and even evaluating outcomes. Need help designing a project plan? GPT-5 can do it. Trying to analyze the pros and cons of a decision? It'll walk you through the logic. It's thoughtful, adaptable, and far more reliable than before. Real-time web browsing is another standout feature. Instead of relying only on training data from the past, GPT-5 can now browse the internet live. That means you can ask about today's news, look up product comparisons, check weather forecasts, or get the latest sports updates, and it pulls in fresh, accurate information on the spot. This is a huge boost for anyone needing current data: journalists, researchers, marketers, or everyday users trying to stay informed. You can even ask it to cite sources, and it will. Let's talk about its ability to handle images. GPT-5 doesn't just understand text, it's multimodal. That means you can upload a photo, and it can describe it, analyze it, or answer your questions about it. Trying to understand a chart? Need help with a handwritten math problem? Want feedback on your design layout? Just upload it and ask. GPT-5 can process visual input with impressive accuracy. Though full video support isn't built in yet, OpenAI has teased future integration with its video generation model, Sora. That opens the door to some exciting possibilities, like video-based explanations, tutorials, and more. Let's take a look at how GPT-5 can fit into daily life. Students are using it for test prep, writing support, and learning new subjects. Creators are brainstorming video ideas, writing scripts, and generating titles and descriptions. Business owners are automating emails, customer support, and marketing content. Developers use it for debugging and building tools faster. It's also great for language learning, scheduling help, and content research. Over time, as it learns your preferences and style, GPT-5 becomes more helpful, like a true digital assistant that adapts to you. So how does GPT-5 stack up to GPT-4? The difference is huge. GPT-4 was smart, but GPT-5 is intuitive. GPT-4 could write, but GPT-5 can talk and listen in real time. It's faster, more expressive, more accurate, and thanks to memory, it's more personal. While GPT-4 required very specific prompts for the best results, GPT-5 is better at interpreting vague or open-ended questions. It'll ask you for clarification, suggest options, and help you shape your ideas. Of course, no system is perfect. GPT-5 can still make mistakes, especially when dealing with complex or controversial topics. Fact-checking is still recommended for important outputs, and some features, like real-time voice or memory, are rolling out gradually and might not be available to everyone right away. Also, paywalled or restricted sites can sometimes block web browsing, so it's not flawless there either. But considering how far AI has come in just a few years, these are small limitations compared to the capabilities it already offers. Looking ahead, the future is full of promise. GPT-5 is the beginning of a shift toward autonomous AI agents. Instead of giving commands one at a time, we'll soon be able to assign entire goals, and the AI will handle the rest. Want to launch a website, plan a trip, or manage a campaign? You'll just describe what you need, and your assistant will take care of the details. GPT-5 is laying the groundwork for that kind of future. So, what do you think? Is GPT-5 the biggest breakthrough in AI we've seen so far? If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay in the loop with everything happening in the world of AI and tech, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.